then. You know that time I take time? Come in and start, go down for no camera, I put it on YouTube. No, my mystery is cute.
Tricky, talented.
No, sir.
You go up on America's Got Talent.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's day 3 of Vlogmas. So today, yeah, the sun nice and bright. Anyways, so today I'm gonna be doing my stairs. Yeah, I'm showing a preview of how the stairs look now. You know, you may get a new parts, maintenance. I just want to customize it. Anyways, let me stop. But yeah, I'm gonna show you what the stairs look like, and I'm gonna be doing the mirror wall as well, but probably not in this video because I destroyed all my mirror sheets. Yeah, that not right. Anyways, so I'm going to show you guys from scratch to today's look. One oversized t-shirts and a nice little woman underpants. Yeah. Anyways, so this are the pretty. So I'm gonna show you what I'm going with me I deal with. So I attempted to do this before, right? And I started this, right? So this is contact paper, and these are tapes. These black things are tapes because I had black carpet going down in the middle, so I had to take it off. The black carpet is down there, and my mirror wall will be right here. So let's do it now and start with it. So I had to order a new contact paper because I ran out of the one that I bought. I thought it was longer, but it really wasn't. So I'm doing. Yeah.
Did I come from the road?
Not no. After I done my step. Someone think you say catch up or something. So we'll find someone for catch up. For catch a camera. So let's tell them. So this way you guys have a better view after the staircase, right? So you see the room on the side. Anyway, this is a little bit off from what we did use before. So this, this probably can go off and off. So I'm gonna cut this in a tool and tear the back, peel it as I go. That's the only way you can, you know? Yeah. So I hope this is enough and I don't have to order anymore because I can't buy. See, I have two different something too. I think it's like a word, but I hope it. I got measure half and half. What go on? Right, just so. Right, just so. Yeah. Right, so. I don't know if that cut good enough, but I hope it's going to be enough. But look at it, look like I enough, guys. Just they get the tools and other stuff. I get a better angle. I'm going to sit. Alright. So I'm going to do the other side now. And also cut off this too. The less I work with, the easier for angle. I'm going to cut straight, so that's like no problem. Peel it off. Right, I'll size it in the corner. Size it up in the corner.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
it's time to put the carpet down. It's gonna go down in the middle. I see what I go on, but I buy the staple gun. Never use it a day in my life. So I see, oh, this is gonna work. I feel like I fix it. Let's see.
Hey!
No!
Let me take it by you.
Bombitos! Hello, you know. Let me see if we can work on the ground. Let me see if we can work on the ground.
Make sure I move my finger, I know, guys.
I'm not do it on the top, this is not do it down here. So measure it up.
Measure the ground.
It's just a center, I know, girl. Yeah. Because I'm just a really leanish. Hold up this one. I'm going to see what I'm going for the grass. I'm just Google yes. Google. Let me see if
Say for you, come back and see.
She not even at work.
Let me see what happened to
No, go down. Look at her not even bunks out.
Do it 2 times.
Come, what's up? Go like this. Yeah. Squat. Go like this. Ari, look. Yeah. One more. Yeah. Come again. Up again. Ari, put it down. Alright, guys. So I'm going to switch gear. Because the staple going now work for me. So here I'm going to work with this. The glue gun. And see if this wallet. No wallet, I just one of them something that for try tape again. So I'm going to tape. Yes. When I done yet though. So right now, I'm running out of contract paper, so I'm going to use mirror to put on my floor. So, you know, you have to vibe and look at music. Yo, the mirror sheets are delicate. Like, the simplest thing you do. You see this? The simplest thing you do, you see the look of tear, but it have to go work. Alright, show me where I'm going down here, so. I tapos ka man sa akin. Sini ko sa araw. And it's sturdy. Like it's sturdy, nice shift. Straight skating.
Straight skating, girl. Hey. Don't it. Straight skating. So you're gonna run that from the light, the glass. Now let it beside it. Hang it on the glass. See, so how you put them up on the ground, on the not the back part.
Paper, and this and that, right?
Yeah, look cute. On paper, yes, with that back. Look like a tile. Yeah.
No, the stairs can look better.
No, it's the cute part.
Like the mirror, I
I think not done.
With the help of me.
Don't it?
What she say?
So they can stick.
Yeah, them did. But them up on the other mirrors so me can just use. Fast one.
Please away get that sliding mat there.
Good one, I said that's like I'm not going to have no fast that.
You sliding.
I never know say that side until I bring it come.
So you tell us so me jump me now come back and me now slide go down. Cause me a slide me just say go just pick up and just slide go down the same pick up here. Whenever cute. You want to put out some lights tonight?
This same staircase. This same staircase forever.
Let's talk about the mirror tree.
Yeah. So you plug down there, so?
Okay, you say you glass with this. So when I slide, you can't look for myself.
Mommy, when they slide, I'm going to see that one there.
Yeah.
The one there, you're going to just go so, whoa, come in there.
Me not ask them know me a slide, you mean?
You want to show me and come up and try to hook up on the white part.
But all the white part is not 100 safe.
I think the white part 100 more than the black part.
When I commit suicide, I come back tricky step. When I commit suicide, I come back tricky step.
Yeah, you feel that
When
ignorant.
the boy say me and him left, I know I'm going to just come back.
Just start from the top, yeah, so. And slide go right down.
Look. All you have to do.
Nice, man.
Yeah, girl, come through with that forehead still.
Don't it?
I hear some where the picture I take.
Right, that's so.
They hear that and I come here, sir. They hear that and I come leave that, so. And she will apply my sister.
Oh, I hear some where the picture I so we can't hold up and so we have come up with a slide, we not hold up.
No.
So this will look
good.
yeah, this will look hold on it.
Yes, it looks too.
Like you don't have no slide come up and you reach your reach.
Can't take your ear. So all that video. Yeah, good video, my dog. You're idiot.
I remember, you know.
You're too much. You're too. So guys, I am finally done with my stairs. Well, not done, cause the frame them not go up, but this is how it's looking. Closer look to the details on the step. Yeah, me do that. We go on with that.
Surrey.
And get them upstairs.
And he forgot to sit down.
Get them upstairs. You know, you say you can take a nice little picture. You go on, put a little accent on the step, the glass step.
Don't get up,
You know?
till I can't figure out your bed.
Yeah. And guess what? What's the cool thing about this? The lights can change. Wait, I don't even know how to change it. Watch out. Watch out. Yeah, you can go in and move.
Both of you guys clean up the mess now. Clean up, hurry up. Put it
And then it can go white.
clean up.
MTS up the store. We're not done yet. The wall over the circle, the carry it back, but the step is finally done. So this is where I'm going to end this vlog. Yeah, nice background though. So I'm going to end it today. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to stay tuned for the rest of Vlogmas. It's only day 2. So stay tuned for day 3, 4, 5. So day 3. Say yeah. Big up on yourself.